Samsung is gearing up for an exciting Unpacked event this January, where it will reportedly reveal not just 3, but 4 Galaxy S25 devices. Among them, the Galaxy S25 Slim has caught everyone's attention after appearing in a recently leaked teaser. The mystery of the Slim's release date. Unlike its counterparts, the Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to arrive later in the year. The new report supports this, referencing Samsung's One UI 7 beta, which includes a list of US carrier-specific models. Interestingly, the Galaxy S25 Slim is missing from this list, hinting that it won't launch alongside the first wave of S25 devices running Android 15. Speculation suggests the Slim could debut between April and June 2025, aligning with previous leaks. This staggered release may allow Samsung to create buzz around its new edition. What makes the Galaxy S25 Slim stand out? The Galaxy S25 Slim is packed with high-end specs while promising a sleek and compact design. Key rumored features include a 6.66-inch display offering vibrant visuals, a 200-megapixel main camera complemented by a 50-megapixel ultrawide and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset delivering top-tier performance, a robust battery capacity ranging between 4,700 mAh to 5,000 mAh. Samsung's big bet on Micron. What does this mean for the future of its flagship devices? Let's break it down. Micron is stepping up as the primary supplier for Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series DRAM, dynamic RAM. This surprising move hints at a shift in Samsung's strategy as the South Korean tech giant prepares to launch its new flagship lineup in late January. Reports indicate that Samsung will source most of its Galaxy S25 series DRAM from Micron, despite having its own memory subsidiary. Why? The answer lies in the technological edge Micron's DRAM offers. For the Galaxy S25 series, Micron is set to provide its LPDDR5 DRAM. While Micron has played the role of a secondary vendor for Samsung's Galaxy lineup for over a decade, this marks the first time it takes center stage as the primary supplier. The Galaxy Unpacked event is rumored to take place on January 22 in San Jose, California. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the premium S25 Ultra during the event, with a general release slated for early February. Micron's rise to this position wasn't accidental. Samsung's MX division made this decision after evaluating performance, costs, and overall requirements, ultimately giving Micron the upper hand. This decision, however, raises concerns about Samsung's in-house DRAM technology, which might be lagging behind in critical areas. Here we have the first official hands-on video and leaked images of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Let's take a look. In this video, we take a closer look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which boasts a sleek and shining glass finish. The design includes rounded corners for a refined aesthetic. The camera ring layout remains unchanged, resembling the setup seen on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The power and volume buttons are conveniently placed on the right side of the device. Galaxy S25 Ultra release date. Samsung is expected to host its first Unpacked event of 2025 on January 22 in the US, with San Jose being the most likely venue. During this event, the Galaxy S25 series will be officially unveiled and pre-orders are set to commence on the same day. Pre-reservations are anticipated to open by mid-January, following the release in the first teaser. The official invitation for the Unpacked event could drop at any moment. According to reports, the Galaxy S25 series will be launched internationally on February 6 or 7. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has made headlines with impressive performance benchmarks. Recently, the device, identified as model SM-S9380 for the Chinese market, appeared online. Interestingly, this model features the same chipset as the US version. In its latest Geekbench test, the Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 3049 in single-core and 9793 in multi-core performance. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, an overclocked variant, and comes with 12 gigs of RAM as its base configuration. This recent Geekbench listing indicates that Samsung is still optimizing the device. Notably, an earlier listing from 2 months ago showed the multi-core score surpassing the remarkable 10,000-point threshold, setting new performance benchmarks. The year 2025 has kicked off with exciting news for Samsung fans as the latest Galaxy S25 Ultra renders have surfaced. Anticipation is high, with Samsung expected to officially unveil this flagship later this month, although no official material leaks are likely this year. Concept creator Technizo Concept has released a fresh set of Galaxy S25 Ultra renders, inspired by CAD designs leaked by On Leaks a few weeks ago. These renders showcase the device in potential color variants, giving fans a glimpse of its possible aesthetics. One of the standout design changes is the Galaxy S25 Ultra's refined frame. Borrowing an iPhone-like flat frame design, it offers a sleek and handy feel. The frame's corners are slightly rounded, ensuring comfort during extended use. The rear panel also sees significant updates, particularly in the camera rims. Samsung is introducing thicker black camera rims reminiscent of the Z Fold 6 to the Galaxy S25 series. While not identical to the Fold 6, the new rims are heavily influenced by the foldables design language. Imagine holding the fastest smartphone in the world packed with a life-saving feature. Intrigued? Let me introduce you to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's groundbreaking flagship that's here to redefine innovation. But here's the exciting part. We now have actual evidence to support some of those swirling rumors. According to Taran Vats, the international variant of the base Galaxy S25, powered by the highly anticipated Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, has finally appeared on the Geekbench benchmark database. This marks the first ever sighting of the international Galaxy S25 model on Geekbench. Until now, only the Korean and US models had surfaced. Interestingly, just a few weeks ago, the international Galaxy S25 Plus variant was spotted on Geekbench, running the Exynos 2500 chip. While this might sound promising, it's too early to consider anything set in stone. And here's a bonus tidbit. The benchmark reveals that the tested Galaxy S25 device had a whopping 12 gigs of RAM. This aligns perfectly with rumors suggesting Samsung is making 12 gigs of RAM a standard feature across all 3 Galaxy S25 models. Your phone could save your life, literally. With the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung might be introducing a feature that takes safety to a whole new level. Ready to learn more? Recent leaks suggest the Galaxy S25 series comes equipped with a car crash detection sensor, a potentially life-saving addition. This information surfaced after developers dug through code found in leaked Galaxy S25 files. Interestingly, this is the same sensor featured in the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. But here's the twist. It's unclear if Samsung has activated Android's car crash detection feature on a software level. Despite sharing the same sensor, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 do not currently have this feature enabled. For those unfamiliar, Android's car crash detection leverages a motion sensor and artificial intelligence to identify potential accidents. This innovative feature was first introduced with the Pixel 8 series in 2023, and Apple's version has been available on the iPhone 14 and newer models. Same dimensions, fresh design. While the screen sizes and dimensions remain consistent with the S24 series, leaked images of the Galaxy S25 lineup screen protectors reveal subtle yet impactful design changes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, in particular, will adopt a curvier design with slightly rounded corners, bringing it closer in feel to the base and Plus models. This design tweak will make the Ultra's sizable frame more ergonomic, especially for one-handed use. The Ultra model strikes a balance between its curvier edges and the practical needs of housing the S Pen, ensuring that its corners are not quite as round as the S25 and S25 Plus. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, unveiling the bright future of smartphones. Samsung's next-generation flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is just around the corner, with its official announcement expected next month. As the anticipation builds, leaked details have begun to paint an exciting picture of what this powerhouse device will offer, especially when it comes to screen technology and durability. A brighter display than ever before. One of the standout features revealed is the 6.9-inch QHD Plus screen, a hallmark of Samsung's Ultra series. But what sets the Galaxy S25 Ultra apart is its record-breaking peak brightness. According to Android Authority, leaked files indicate that the phone could achieve an unprecedented 3,000 nits of brightness. This level of luminance is expected to deliver stunning visibility even in the brightest sunlight, making it a game-changer for outdoor usage. Reinforced with next-gen glass, Durability is another area where Samsung is stepping up its game. Renowned tipster Ice Universe shared that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will debut the second-generation Corning Gorilla Armor glass, known for its anti-reflective properties. This exclusive upgrade not only promises better protection, but also enhances screen clarity by reducing glare, perfect for enjoying that dazzling brightness to its fullest potential. Elite towards perfection. With its cutting-edge brightness and reinforced display technology, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a trailblazer in the smartphone industry. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra camera specifications leak. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to feature an impressive array of 5 camera sensors, sourced from both Sony and Samsung. The rear panel will house a quad-camera setup, while the front will integrate a single selfie camera within the Infinity O display. Recent leaks have provided a comprehensive look at the camera details for the upcoming flagship. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will include 2 Sony IMX sensors for telephoto and periscope cameras, while Samsung ISOCELL will supply the primary, ultra-wide, and selfie sensors. These details were confirmed by Android developer and code extractor Assembled Debug, consolidating previously scattered leaks into a single detailed report. Camera configuration. Primary camera. Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 200 megapixel resolution with 2x optical lens zoom. Ultra-wide camera. Samsung ISOCELL Gen 3, upgraded to 50 megapixel resolution from 12 megapixel in the S24 Ultra. Telephoto camera. Sony IMX 754 to 10 megapixel resolution with 3x optical zoom. Periscope camera. Sony IMX 854 to 50 megapixel resolution with 5x optical zoom. Selfie camera. Samsung ISOCELL 3 LU, 12 megapixel resolution. The only significant upgrade compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the ultra-wide sensor, which jumps from 12 megapixel to 50 megapixel. However, the telephoto camera remains unchanged at 10 megapixel with 3x optical zoom, leading to some criticism regarding missed opportunities for further enhancements. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.